Hello everyone, this video will speak about variables. Introduction. Variables are qualities, properties or characteristics of person, things or situation that change or vary. Chin and Kramer stated, variables are concepts at different level of abstraction that are concisely defined to promote their measurement or manipulation within the study. Variables are classified based on the nature, actions and effect on the variables. Types of variables. There are many types of variables. Here we have independent and dependent variables, dependent variables, research variables, demographic variables and extraneous variables. What is meant by independent and dependent variable? These two variables are interrelated and are mainly observed in correlational, interventional, pre-experimental, quasi-experimental and experimental research studies. And next we have independent variable. Independent variable is a stimulus or activity that is manipulated or varied by the researcher to determine the effect on the dependent variable. And next we have dependent variable. It is a variable that the researcher wants to predict or explain and is the outcome or response due to the effect of the independent variable. Research variable. What is research variable? In descriptive, explorative, comparative and qualitative research studies, the variables are measured in natural setting as they exist without manipulating or imposing the effect of intervention or treatment. Here, no independent variable is manipulated and no effect relationship is examined. These variables are considered as research variables. Therefore, research variables can be defined as qualities, attributed properties or characteristics that are observed or measured in a natural setting. Demographic variables. The demographic variables are age, gender, educational status, religion, social class, marital status, habitat, occupation, income and medical diagnosis. These characteristics and attributes of the subject under the study are considered as demographic variable. In addition, sometimes the researchers even try to establish a relation of the demographic variables within the research variables. Extraneous variables. Extraneous variables are the factors that are not part of the study but may affect the measurement of the study variables. These variables are usually recognized and controlled by researchers in quasi-experimental and experimental studies. However, in other research studies too, the researcher may do wherever it is possible. In general, specific research design and sample inclusion and exclusion criteria are used to control the influence of extraneous variables.